Now let us move towards our third problem on the field system design. Now let me directly go to the given values. So ns is equal to 500 rpm, frequency f they have given which is 50, diameter d of the stator they have given 0.95, length l of the stator they have given 0.30 meter, section of the pole body they have given, that is the width and the length of the pole body they have given, IF that is field ampere turns which they have given as 6000, field excitation voltage they have given an 80 volt. So now with this data, what's our aim to calculate? Our aim is to calculate the sectional area of the field conductor AF, current density delta, resistance and the losses. So now let us move towards our first aim, that is the sectional area of the field conductor. Sectional area of the field conductor AF is equal to rho LNT IF TF divided by VC. Rho, which is a constant, which is 0.021, length of mean turn, which is can be calculated from this formula. So in this LMT, 2 is a constant, LP value which they have already given, that is length of the pole body 30 centimeter, width of the pole body or breadth of the pole body they have given as a 10 centimeter, pi is a constant, df value is assumed as 3 centimeter and the thickness of the field coil is assumed as a 1 centimeter. So with this LMT value we are getting as a 0.957 meter here. So now next we here rho value is constant, LMT value हमें मिल गया अभी. So IF which is already given in the problem which is 6000. Next our aim is to calculate the VC excitation voltage. Now to calculate the VC, we in case of synchronous generator 20 or 30% voltage is assumed as a reserve. Here we have taken as how much? 20. So 80 is already given minus 20. So we are getting a 60 divided by number of field coils, or number of, as the number of field coils is equals to number of poles here. So we need to calculate the value of poles based on the speed which they have given. So 120 is the constant, frequency f value दिया है, ns का value already दिया है. So p how much we are getting, which we are getting as a 12. So vc value which is 80 minus 20, 60 divided by p which is 12. So how much we are getting the value of pc as a 5. Now all these values if we substitute in the AF, that is sectional area of the field winding, 0.021, रो वैल्यू LMT वैल्यू जो हमने कैलकुलेट किया, IF TF वैल्यू ऑलरेडी उन्होंने दिया और VC का वैल्यू कितना है 5 वोल्ट. AF is equal to 24.2 millimeters square here. So this value can be compared with what? This value can be compared with the standard value. So standard value if we compare, how much here? 14.2 into 1.7 here. This is the, so as the winding is will be adjusted in the two layer, separating the two layer with the some insulation. Here we are separating that with the insulation of a 1.6 millimeter here. So 14.2 plus 1.6 plus 14.2. So total depth of the winding which we are getting, how much we are getting? A 3 centimeter here. So now our second aim is to calculate the current density. To calculate the current density, delta is equal to IF into AF here. So AF value we have calculated in our first aim, that is 24.2 here. So next our aim is to calculate the AF value which we have got in our first aim, 24.2 here. So now we have to calculate the IF. IF field current is equal to field ampere turns per pole divided by number of turns here. Field ampere turns per pole which is already given, which is 6000, and number of turns also has been given which is 6000, which is 64 amperes here. So if we substitute both these values here, so what we are getting? We are getting a 6.24 ampere per millimeter square. That's the value of the current density, which is quite satisfactory. Next, our third aim is to calculate the resistance of field coil and a field copper losses. Resistance of the field coil and a field copper losses. So field copper losses per coil is given by IF square into RF here. IF just now which we calculated, which is 64 square. Resistance RF भी हमने calculate किया है तो 0.078. So if we multiply these two, 319.4. That is field copper losses per coil here. sorry, here IF value which they have already, IF value which we have calculated, which is a 64, and RF, that is the resistance of the field coil, can be calculated with the rho LMT TPH divided by AF. Rho value which is already, we know that it is a constant which is taken as 0.021. LMT value हमने calculate किया हुआ है, और TPH value उन्होंने दिया हुआ है which is 94, और area AF value also we calculated, that is 24.2. So RF का value कितना हो जाएगा, 0.078 here. So IF square 64 square into RF 0.078. So how much we are getting as a field copper losses per coil, that is 319.4 watts here. So now next our aim is to calculate the total field copper losses. Total field copper losses is nothing but the field copper losses per coil into number of poles. Field copper losses per coil is 319.4 into number of poles P, which is a 12. So total field copper losses we are getting as a 3.83 kilowatt. Thank you.